Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here again at the online cotton fair this year. As we know, we have been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only for our business but also to our lives. But I believe we will cross over. And so first, please allow me to thank you all for your patience, understanding, and support during these difficult times. And we will do our best to provide professional and excellent business support to all of our customers. Thank you. Okay, let's start our today's show. Today I brought a collection of Willow products here for you, including Willow hampers, Willow basket, and Willow storage box. Okay, let's go through one by one. First, I'd like to show you is this Willow hamper. The shape is round with lid, and we have handles on the lid. You can take it easily. The space is very huge. So it's an ideal storage choice for hamper for laundry. You can put all your dirty clothes here. Look, the space is very huge. We also designed a printed fabric liners. The liner is removable and so it is easy to clean. You can see the liner can remove easily. We also have some lovely features for the hamper, the bow tie and pom-poms to make it more lovely. The hamper is very firm. And also the hard lid and handles. Okay, let's check the size. The top diameter is 45. The height is 55. And the bottom side diameter 26.